Atlas Rim Repair back again, this time working on a 99 Porsche Carrera. You can see there's curb rash about halfway around the wheel. Pretty deep here, we're going to have to definitely grind that out. Alright, next we'll sand out the grinder marks. Now on these Porsches, especially the older ones, actually even the newer ones, their factory finish wants to just peel away as you're sanding, so you really have to work all that out with the sander. Otherwise you're going to have a crease in your paint line, and it's very noticeable. Also, if you're in the Phoenix area and you don't want to attempt to do one of these on your own, look me up at atlasrimrepair.com. I'd be happy to get you scheduled in. Usually it's within a day or two, depending on what side of town you're on. Typically Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I'm on the east side. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays on the west side. Sometimes Sundays, just depending on how busy it is. All right, final step on this will be the clear coat. I'm going to go right over everywhere we just painted, and it overlaps just a touch. All right. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next wheel.